Itadakimasu! I had to transfer it on a different bowl because it spilled. Hold on, I'll show you guys. It kind of spilled all over, so I had to transfer it. It still looks okay, I'd say. Itadakimasu. It's hot. It's hot. Burnt. It burnt. It's burnt. Oh my god, it's so spicy. Hold on, this is really spicy. It's really spicy. Oh god. No. No. Here. For the content. Ugh. Here. Itadakimasu. Maybe if I put chocolate, it'll taste better. I don't know. Oh. 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 No. No. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Don't try it, guys. Don't try it. Turn it up. Oh, it's so spicy. Oh. Wait, are all Japanese curries this spicy? I thought you guys trolling me. I thought this is mild. I have to remove my gloves. Oh. Wait, you guys are lying. You guys, this is a lie. I was so comforted by everyone saying, oh yeah, don't worry, Japanese curry is not that bad. Lies. All of you. I feel betrayed. It's so hot. Japanese curry is usually mild. This is not mild at all. This is the mushroom's really good though. Ooh. Oh, that's horrible. Ooh. Oh god. Yeah, actually this is not as bad as the this is not as bad as the spicy noodles. I'm okay. Oh, I'm sweating. I'm sweating so I only took like 2 bites. This is not bad. This is not bad. It's actually tolerable. There's different types of spicy. There are ones that are like spicy that is not good, and then there's one that's drink hot water and you want me to die. Who's gonna eat the rest? This will be my food for next week. I'll portion it. What do you mean?
I am the cutest devil in the world. I am the cutest devil in the world.